Hey guys, Jessica Beck here with IELTS Energy TV. Welcome. In the last video, I did some vocabulary for family to use on IELTS, and today I'm going to do some sample Part 1 answers. First of all, I want to congratulate our student Andrea. She took the IELTS exam for the first time, and she got an 8.5 on speaking. Yes, guys, you need the strategies. You need the 3 key strategies to do so well. But listening to my sample answers will also help. So you can become a 3 key student as well. One of my students, go to allearsenglish.com/KEYS. Okay, so let's get into my speaking Part 1 sample answers. Question 1, do you have a large or small family? Well, my immediate family is pretty small, actually, because I would just say it's myself and my son. So that's only 2 people. That's quite tiny. But if you look at the generation above me, for my other immediate family, I have a mom, a stepdad, and I have various half siblings because both my mom and dad were married before they met each other. So I guess all in all, my family's pretty big. Okay, so I did use some of the vocabulary in that answer from the last video, which was awesome. Yeah, American families are confusing. Okay, next Part 1 question. How much time do you spend with your family? Well, I have a son, so I spend a lot of time with him, all the time that I can. But as far as like my parents and my siblings, my brothers and sister, all my brothers live far away, so I don't get to see them very often, not as much as I'd like, but my sister does live in the same neck of the woods as I do. She lives only 40 minutes away, so we do get together quite often. In fact, I just met her and my nephew for a shopping trip and lunch last Sunday. So yeah, as much as I can, family is a priority. All right, last question. What do you like to do together as a family? Well, with my son, we play tons of games, especially board games. We like to get outside into nature as much as possible. Even though it is freezing right now where I live, we still bundle up and we go outside as much as we can. With my sister, my sibling I spend the most time with, we like to go see movies, and we often just have sister brunches where her and I, just the 2 of us, get to meet and have a nice long chat and visit about everything, our lives, but also a lot about like what movies and podcasts and pop culture we're into, because both of us are super nerds about that stuff. Okay, so I would love to hear your answers to these questions. Comment on this video, you guys, and share how you would answer today's questions. And remember, if you are ready to commit yourself to increasing your IELTS scores, all ears English, 3 Keys IELTS does guarantee that you will see an increase in your IELTS score. Get into it, guys. Go to allearsenglish.com/KEYS. And you can have personal classes with me if you are our student. So get in there, guys. Okay, everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.
Bonus tip, get a 7 or higher with the All Ears English app, featuring exclusive bonus video lessons with Jessica, Lindsay, and Michelle. Get the app now at allearsenglish.com/app.